Do you want your child to be more obedient? Do you want your child to be a good listener? Do you want your child to listen more? Actively listening to your child. Communicating with our children can be a difficult task at times. We feel they are not listening to us, they feel we are not listening to them. Good listening and communication skills are essential to successful parenting. Your child's feelings, views, and opinions have worth. And you should make sure that you take time to sit down and listen openly and discuss with them honestly. It seems to be natural tendency to react rather than to respond. We pass judgment based on our feelings and experiences. However, responding means being receptive to our child's feelings and emotions and allowing them to express themselves openly and honestly without fear of repercussions from us. By reacting, we send our child the message that their feelings and opinions are invalid. But by responding and asking questions about why the child feels that way, it opens a dialogue that allows them to discuss their feelings further and allows you a better understanding of where they're coming from. Responding also gives us an opportunity to work out a solution or a plan of action with your child that perhaps they would not have come up with on their own. Your child will also appreciate the fact that maybe you do indeed understand how they feel. It is crucial in these situations to give your child your full and undivided attention. Put down your newspaper, stop doing the dishes, and turn off the television so you can hear the full situation and make eye contact with your child. Be calm, be inquisitive, and afterwards offer potential solutions to the problem. Don't discourage your child from feeling upset, angry, and frustrated. Our initial instinct may be to say or do something to steer our child away from it, but this can be a detrimental tactic. Again, listen to your child, ask questions to find out why they are feeling that way, and then offer potential solutions to alleviate the bad feeling. Just as we do, our children have feelings and experience difficult situations. By actively listening and participating with our child as they talk about it, it demonstrates to them that we do care. We want to help them and have similar experience of our own that they can draw from. Remember, respond, don't react. E plus R equals to O. The number one formula for interpersonal skills, a formula that guarantees long-lasting relationships. Are you ready? E here stands for events. Events will continue to keep happening. Life is, after all, full of events. Some are good and some are bad and some are really terrible. Now, what does R stand for? R stands for either react or respond. Majority of us end up reacting. But what we should be doing? Responding. And depending upon this will be the outcomes, will be the results of what relationships come out to be. Here's a simple example to understand the formula E plus R equals to O. Your child is carrying a glass tumbler and accidentally drops it. What do? We flip our lids. We react. We start yelling at the child. Can't you see this? Why can't you be careful? You're always like this, and so on and goes forward. What is the O? Is your child is unhappy, you are angry, you are upset, you're feeling bad. After some time, you think, oh, it was not such a big deal, and you go apologize to your child, but the damage is already done. See the outcome when we react. Now the other thing that we could have chosen to do is respond. E, the event has happened, the glass is broken, you can't do much about it. How now, instead of reacting, you can just respond. My dear child, are you okay? Just watch out, don't hurt your leg. Next time onwards, please be careful. And in fact, if you need some help, I'll be there to teach you. Now what's the outcome in this second case? Your child has better trust with you. Your child is more confident. Your child knows that it has to be much more careful, and you have a better relationship with your child. E plus R equals to O. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.